Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the units of angles. The units of angles are either radians or degrees. As we know that angle is represented in the form of degrees or in the form of radians. So we will solve few examples to make it easier for you guys to understand how to convert radians to degrees. So these are the two main formulas that are actually conversion metric or conversion factors. Okay, just remember these two values. So let's start our today's topic. First of all, what is radian? As we know that a complete circle, if we divide into two quadrants, there are four quadrants, and one complete circle is equal to 360 degrees, and 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radians. Just keep it in your mind. Okay, if we divide both sides by 2, we will get 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Okay, so 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Now what is radian? Let's suppose we have a circle, and this is the radius center of a circle, and this is equal to radius of a circle. This is the radius of a circle, and if we travel the same distance equal to as that of radius. If this distance is equal to radius, then if we join the line to the end of this distance, then this angle will be equal to this angle theta will be equal to 1 radian. Okay, this theta will be equal to 1 radian. Now let's have a look at this equation. Okay, that is 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Now to cancel out the pi from here, we will divide both sides by pi. Okay, divide both sides by pi. This will cancel out with this pi, and as the value of pi is 3.14, so 180 divided by 3.14 is equal to 1 radian. So it will be equal to 57.3 degrees is equal to 1 radian. Okay, don't mind my handwriting. Okay, it is very bad, but try to understand and listen what I am trying to say over here. Okay, don't focus on my handwriting. 57.3 degree is equal to 1 radian. You will have to remember this value. So I hope you have understand the meaning of radian. Radian, let me explain it again. If the distance traveled on the circle is equal to the radius of the circle, then the angle formed between these two angles is called as 1 radian, and the value of 1 radian is 57.3 degrees. Now let's suppose if you can say, as I told you before, 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radian. Okay, 2 into 3.14 into the value of radian is 57.3 degrees. If you simplify this will equal to 360 degrees. Okay, now I hope you have understand how 360 equal to 2 pi radians. So this is the answer how it is equal to 360 degrees. So let's have an example to convert radians to degrees. Let's suppose we have angle in the form of degrees, 80 degrees, and we have to convert it into radians. Okay, we have to convert it into pi radian. So to convert 80 degrees into pi radian, we will multiply it with this conversion factor. This is 80 degrees, multiply it by pi divided by 180 degree is equal to pi radian. So what we will have to do is this, if we simplify this, we will get 4 divided by 9 pi, 4 divided by 9 pi. So 80 degrees is equal to 4 divided by 9 pi. I hope you understand. Let interconvert these values. Okay, remember this 4 by 9. Now let's interconvert this value 4 divided by 9 pi and convert it into degrees. What we will have to do is 4 divided by 9, we will just flip that formula. 4 divided by 9 pi multiply by 180 degrees divided by pi. This pi will cancel out this pi and we will get the value, as you can see over here, 9 into 20 degrees. Okay, and now multiply 20 multiply by 4, we will get 80 degrees. So that's how you can convert the degrees into radians and radians into degrees. Okay, this is the main formula. I will explain, or I will conclude the whole summary at the end of this lecture. Let's have another example in minus. Let's suppose we have a degree that is 225 minus 225 degrees and convert it into pi radians. Okay, so what we will have to do is minus 225 multiply by pi divided by 180. Okay, and we know that 225 is equal to 45 times 5 and 180 is equal to 45 times 4. So this 45 will cancel out this 45 and we will be left with 5 divided by 4 pi and again with minus. So this is the, if you want to convert degrees to radians, use this formula. Okay, pi divided by 180, because this is in the form of degree and this is also in the form of degrees. To cancel out these degrees, you will divide the value in degrees. Okay, 225 divided by 180 into pi. Let's convert this. Okay, to convert radians, this is the 5 by 4 pi. In radians we will convert it into degrees. Let's suppose 5 divided by 4 pi radian to degrees. Okay, now here we will get it, is it equal to that again 225 degrees or not. Okay, let's suppose it is in the minus value and it is in the form of minus, and to convert this radians to degrees, what we will do, 5 divided by 4 with minus. Okay, multiply by and converts that formula 180. Here is the pi, 4 divided by 5 pi multiply by 180 divided by pi. Okay, this pi will cancel out this pi and again we will get, if we simplify this, we will get 450 degrees divided by 2 with minus. So simplify it, we will get 225 degrees with minus. So that's how you can convert the values into pi's, degrees and pi radians. I hope you have understand the topic. If you want to make me another video on some unit conversion topic, let me know in the comment. I will make a detailed video on that topic. That's all for today.